Kadyrov's right hand, Adam Delimkhanov, is rumored to be killed in Primorsk. He is member of the Russian State Duma and head of the Chechen branch of Rosgvardia. Russian media report that Delimkhanov, deputy prime minister of the Chechen Republic, was wounded in Ukraine. He took an active part in Russian invasion. Also in the morning, some Ukrainian sources were the first to talk about Delimkhanov, but it was stated that he had died. According to claims from the Ukrainian journalist and military Kyrylo Sazonov, Delimkhanov was attacked when he was in Primorsk, Zaporizhzhia region. On the 12th of June, Primorsk was hit with supposedly Storm Shadow missiles. Back then, on the day of the strikes. Some sources hinted that there was a strike on the location of very fat officers of the command platoon of the chief TikToker. Ramzan Kadyrov then published a cryptic message on his Telegram saying he lost his dear brother Adam Delimkhanov, who is not getting back to him. Kadyrov is asking Ukrainian intelligence to say what positions they hit so he could find his friend. I'm unable to reach Adam Delimkhanov in any way. He isn't getting in touch. I ask Ukrainian intelligence to provide information on exactly what place and what positions were hit, so that I could still find my dear brother. I promise a generous reward, and I ask you to help. Since some contradictory information appeared that Delimkhanov was killed in the same attack in which 200 Russian soldiers were killed and wounded in Kreminna, we must clarify that it is not the same case. Again, this incident does not appear to be related at all to the mysterious disappearance of Adam Delimkhanov, and the chief of Ukrainian intelligence Budanov's reaction to Kadyrov's request. Ex-commander of the 72nd Brigade of Russian Armed Forces Roman Venevitin, who was previously captured by Prigozhin's mercenaries, said the Prigozhinites handed over the coordinates of Delimkhanov to the armed forces of Ukraine. Earlier information appeared online that Kadyrov's ally, Russian MP of Chechnya Adam Delimkhanov, died in Ukraine. Translation of Venevitin's statement: As I said before, in an attempt to discredit me, Wagner PMC spilled about the facts of their own treason. They have collaborated with enemy intelligence before, organizing leaks of locations of our units, and now this has happened again. According to the information I have, they have now taken revenge on Ramzan Kadyrov, who had earlier threatened to reveal the sources of Prigozhin's wealth, as he has been a food supplier for our army since 2006. Adam Delimkhanov, the right-hand man of the Chechen president, is in serious condition after being shelled by the Ukrainian Nazis. The Ukrainian Special Services, who lead the priority targets, were at work. They worked with precision and very intensively. Unfortunately, the losses were substantial. 12 aircraft were brought in for evacuation, which fortunately worked promptly. The wounded are given, as far as I know, all the help they need. Perhaps at least this incident will finally make it possible to take all necessary measures against Prigozhin personally and other businessmen from the Wagner Group, who have always used Russia exclusively for personal enrichment, not even shying away from direct cooperation with the enemy. Prigozhin didn't respond to the accusations, but he published a video which will again piss off Russian high command. Prigozhin is saying that Ukrainians today are one of the strongest armies in the world. It's a nation known all over the world. We did this.
Спецоперация – это перевод Украины в наше пророссийское лоно. Если мы делаем пророссийское лоно, надо поменять верхушку власти, расцеловать народ в задницу. Мы что сделали? Мы пришли по-хамски, прошлись с сапогами по всей территории в поисках нацистов. Пока искали нацистов, наколбасили всех, кого можно. Подошли к Киеву, обосрались и отошли. Мы сделали Украину нацией, которая известна всем во всем мире, что касается демилитаризации. У них было на начало спецоперации 500 танков, у них 5000 танков. Воевать умело 20 тысяч человек, и теперь умеет воевать 400 тысяч человек. Как же мы ее демилитаризировали? Наоборот, мы ее хрен знает как милитаризировали. Украинцы сегодня это одна из сильнейших армий.
59 separate motorized infantry brigade named after Yakov Hanzyuk showed how to make popcorn out of the occupier. But as I said, the Russian losses are clearly higher than the Ukrainian ones, specifically 5 times higher on the Zaporizhia front and 8 times higher on the Bakhmut front. Here, for example, it is a Russian rocket artillery of the Grad type that is knocked out by an Excalibur grenade. You don't see this every day. 4 HIMARS MLRs are heading somewhere. Ukrainian soldiers assault Russian positions with help of American MRAPs, Max Pro in Zaporizhia region. French-supplied AMX-10RC in service with the Ukrainian 37th Marine Brigade.
Нам скаже всім до бою, ми віддамо своє життя за волю, вже сил нема, але ми не здаємося.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.